What's up? I'm going to take you on a tour of our mindset project and show you exactly how it works. So let's go. Step 1, open your Claude app. Step 2, in the top left, open projects. Look for the folder, click on it. Step 3, open the project that you want to work on. In this case, it's the mindset project. And you're in. The first step that you're going to want to do is just type hello. It's going to welcome you. It's going to ask for your name. I typed my name. The next thing it's going to do is going to give you some important features within the app on what to do as far as renaming the chat and the commands that you could use like practice and assess. It also gives you a brief intro, complete history, tells you what to do, show up daily. Finally, it recommends typing how does this work. So let's type how does this work. Once you type how does this work, it tells you exactly what's inside the mindset project, a complete daily mental performance system, and I'll let you read it once you download it. Tells you what you can get when you practice, what focused areas of attention, how the assessment works. It's a 21-day question across 5 areas, and it's logged for the rest of your life, the rest of the chat, and you can even refer to check your progress. It has 5 levels that track your progress from survival mode all the way to locked in. And finally, you can get your history of everything you've done, and you can journal at the end of every session. So now that we know how it works, now we know that where it is, where it sits, let's type practice. Okay, the minute that you type practice, you're gonna get 12 different areas for you to focus on. Each area comes with hundreds, if not thousands, of different tutorials and educations and resources for you to work on and improve your mindset. So for this particular exercise, we'll just type 5. That's purpose and meaning. Now, what it does, it's going to give you a quote. In this case, it's from Marcus Aurelius, from the Stoics. It's going to give you the concept behind purpose. It's going to give you some scientific facts, figures, and experts in the area of working on purpose as far as your mindset goes. It's going to talk about how it shows up in your daily life. It's going to offer one thing to apply today. And then it's going to give you an option to go deeper, whether that's a YouTube or a podcast or a book. And then it reminds you to return back to this particular conversation each day where you can continue to work on your mindset. Then finally, it leaves you with this. You could journal now, or you could select no, you could take the assessment, and all this stuff sits in your history forever. So the Mindset Project is designed for one thing, to help you with the way you think. And stinking thinking, you're gonna wanna get rid of it. It has neuroscience-backed, thousands and thousands of books logged. It has a curriculum, a journal, and a scoring system designed personally for you. If you access it every day, which you could do on your desktop or your phone, it can dramatically improve your life. I hope you enjoy it.